Hi children, welcome back to our next maths class. Lesson 4, multiplication. In the previous class, we discussed a subtraction of the numbers. I think all of you understood that class and also completed your works. Next, our lesson is multiplication. Lesson 4, multiplication. In the previous standard, that means in the second standard, we studied the tables of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I think all of you by heard that. If you have any mistake, you just recite that table very well. Okay. Now I will just recite that. The table of 1. Table of 1. Just to say with me. 1 2 2, 2 2 4, 3 2 6, 4 2 8, 5 to 10, 6 to 12, 7 to 14, 8 to 16, 9 to 18 and 10 to 20. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 14, 16, 18 and 20. This is the table of 2. Study very well. By heart that. Okay. Next, table of 3. 1 3 3, 2 3 6, 3 3 9, 4 3 12, 5 3 15, 6 3 18, 7 3 21, 8 3 24, 9 3 27, 10 3 30. 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 30. Next, table 4. 1 4 4, 2 4 8, 3 4 12, 4 4 16, 5 4 20, 6 4 24, 7 4 28, 8 4 32, 9 4 36, 10 4 40. Next, table of 5. 1 5 5, 2 5 10, 3 5 15, 4 5 20, 5 5 25, 6 5 30, 7 5 35, 8 5 40, 9 5 45 and 10 5 50. Up to 5 you already studied the table. Based on that, some questions are given in your textbook. All of you open your textbook, page number 57. There have some warm-up question. 57. Sneha and Megha are going for a picnic. They are talking together. Mother. Sneha, we are going for a picnic to the zoo. Megha, each of us has to pay rupee 10. Sneha, 8 children in my class have already paid. Megha, that means rupee 80 have been collected. Sneha said, I added rupee 10 8 times. I added rupee 10 8 times. Megha, I multiply rupee 10 by 8. I multiply rupee 10 by 8. 8 times add means we multiply 10 by 8. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 8 times 10 is equal to 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Similarly, try these questions are given. 4 into 9. 4 into 9. We can see in the table 4, 4 9 36. 4 9 is equal to 36. Next, 3 into 7. 3 7 21. 5 6 30. 2 9 18. Okay. The number that are multiplied are called factors. The answer is called the product. That means here 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. 2 is known as the product. 2 is known as the product or multiplied answer. Next, in same page, B questions given there. Write the factors and the product. Write the factors and the product. 5 into 10. Which are the factors? 5, 10. Product 5 into 10. What is 5 into 10? 50. Similarly, complete all the numbers, product and factors. 2 into 4. 2 and 4 are the factors. 2, 4, 8. 8 is the product. Similarly, complete the table in your textbook. Then take next page. That is checkpoint questions. In that also based on up to 5 multiplication table. First one, 3 into 5 is 3 times 5. That answer already given there. 3 into 5 is 3 times 5. Or 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 times 5 means 3 times you can add 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Similarly, 4 into 8 is 4 times 8. 4 times 8 or 4 times 8 or 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Next, 5 into 4 is 5 times 4. 5 times 4, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Similarly, complete all the checkpoint question in your textbook. Next is multiplication facts. Multiplication facts. There have mental maths question. 11 into which number is the product 11? Yes, 11 into 1 is 11. 1. Next, dash into 1 is equal to 21. 21 into 1 is equal to 21. Next, third question. 4 into 3 is equal to dash into 4. 4 into 3 is equal to dash into 4. That is 3 into 4. 9 into dash is equal to 2 into dash. 9 into 2 is equal to 2 into 9. 9 into 2 is equal to 2 into 9. Fifth one, dash into 7 is equal to 7. 1 into 7 is equal to 7. 3 into 0, answer is 0. 7 into 6 is equal to 6 into 7. Dash into 25 equal to 0. 0 into 25 is equal to 0. 1 into dash is equal to 14. 1 into 14 is equal to 14. Dash into 8 equal to 0. 0 into 8 is equal to 0. 2 into dash is equal to 4 into 2. That is 2 into 4 is equal to 4 into 2. Next, 1 into dash is equal to 15. 1 into 15 is equal to 15. The next page, exercise question, that is for you. Write all the question in your textbook using pencil. All the multiples and the missing factor complete using pencil in your textbook. Then take next page, that is multiplying by 6. Up to 5 you already studied the table. Next we are going to study the tables of 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10 also. Okay. First you write chapter 4 multiplication and write all the tables 1 to 10. Next we are going to study table of 6. Table of 6. In your textbook, page number 60, take all of you. There have given an activity page for making table 6. Build the 6 times table by counting the leaves. Yes, in the first column only have 1 leaf. There have 6 petals, that is 166. Next one 26. What is 26? 166. So 26 is equal to 12. 26 12. 36 equal to 18. 36 18. 46 24. 56 30. 66 36. 76 42. 77 49. 78 56. 96. 76 42. 86 48. 96 54. 106 60. This is the table of 6. Just recite all the table and study the tables also. 166, 26 12, 36 18, 46 24, 56 30, 66 36, 76 42, 86 48, 96 54, 106 60. 6 12 18 24 30 36 42 48 54 60. That one to write here. Okay, only these product you want to write here. 6 12 18 24 30 36 42 48 54 and 60. This is the table of 6, and below that also you have to complete the dots. Okay, first 6 2 6 3 6 like that, all the dots 6 dots can complete there. Next is table of 7. Table of 7, that is page number 61. 1 7 1 7 7 1 7 7. 2 7 14. 2 7 14, that is 7 plus 7 14. 3 7 3 7 means 7 plus 7 plus 7, that is 21. 4 7 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 28. 28. Next 5 7 35. 6 7 42. 7 7 49. 8 7 56. 9 7 63. 10 7 70. 1 7 7. 2 7 14. 3 7 21. 4 7 28. 5 7 35. 6 7 42. 7 7 49. 8 7 56. 9 7 63 and 10 7 70. This is the table of 7. Based on table 6 and 7, there have some checkpoint question. Try these. 5 6 30, 4 7 28, 3 5 15, 9 6 63, 86, 48. Similarly, complete all the checkpoint question in page number 61. Take next page, that is table of 8, multiplying by 8. That is 1 into 8. 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. 3, 8, 24. 4, 8, 32. 5, 8, 40. 6, 8, 48. 7, 8, 56. 8, 8, 64. 9, 8, 72. 10, 8, 80. See, table of 8. 1, 8, 8. 2, 8, 16. 3, 8, 24. 4, 8, 32. 5, 8, 40. 6, 8, 48. 7, 8, 56. 8, 8, 64. 9, 8, 72. 10, 8, 80. 10, 8, 80. Next, in that page have checkpoint. Write the missing factors. Dash into 5 is equal to 25. Which number into 5 is 25? Yes, definitely 5. Next one, dash into 7, 35. 5 into 7, 35. Dash into 8 is equal to 40. 5 into 8. Similarly, find out all the missing factors. Okay. Next is table of 9. Table of 9. Page number 63. Table of 9. First one, 1, 9, 9, 2, 9, 18. 1, 9, 9, 2, 9, 18. 3, 9, 27. 4, 9, 36. 5, 9, 45. 6, 9, 54. 7, 9, 63. 8, 9, 72. 9, 9, 81. And 10, 9, 90. 10, 9, 90. Table of 9. 1, 9, 9. 2, 9, 18. 3, 9, 27. 4, 9, 36. 5, 9, 45. 6, 9, 54. 7, 9, 63. 8, 9, 72. 9, 9, 81. And 10, 9, 90. Then next, there have some exercise questions in page number 63. Write the product 2, 8, 16, 4, 9, 36. Complete all the exercise questions in your textbook. Okay, using pencil. Next, fill in the missing gaps in the multiplication grid. Fill in the missing gaps in the multiplication grid, page number 64. Some numbers are given in column wise and some numbers are given in row wise. You have to multiply the row number and the column number. 1, 1, 1. Then next 1, 2, 2. 1, 3, 3. 1, 4, 4. 1, 5, 5. 1, 6, 6. Similarly, 1, 7, 7. 1, 8, 8. 1, 9, 9. 1, 10, 10. Then next second column. 2, 1, 2. 2, 2, 4. 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8. Similarly, complete all the tables. Okay, children. Here the time is going to wind up our class. Okay, thank you.